Hello, it's Phillip Taylor from Richmond Green Chambers speaking, and this morning I'm looking at a book from Jordan Publishing. It's part of their family law series for which they are renowned. It's one that I use regularly in court, and it's now the established work, I think, in the field concerning Children Act matters. It's Hershman and McFarlane, Children Act Handbook, 2012 to 13, and it's been written and edited by David Hershman and Andrew McFarlane. We've given it a title, new from Jordan's, a handy handbook on the Children Act, now in the new 2012 to 13 edition. And this is the book here. You can see it's quite a heavy book. There's the side and then there's the back. What we've got in it is a little bit of coding on the side so you can find things quite easily. This being the statutory instruments part, the back, and all the acts and so forth. What we do have right at the back, of course, are things like the rules, statutory rules, and we do have a very useful miscellaneous part at the back, things such as a calendar and various other things on the actual back sheet itself, which is useful to know about. The bulk of the book, part 1, covers the Children Act itself, and it does have, of course, quite a lot of useful information in it. There is some paragraph numbering at the sides, which you can see there, to try and find your way around easily, because this is quite a good book to navigate around. There is a contents page which sets out what's in it, and there's also a very useful start right at the beginning with the various pieces of legislation. All in all, it's an excellent book, and one I'm very pleased to have. What we do say about this book, and please read the review which is on the web, as specialist practitioners in family law, we recognise certainly here that the Hershman and McFarlane edition of this Children's Act Handbook is the ideal text for helping us to navigate our way around the complexities and detail of the legislation, which has undergone, of course, quite a lot of change. The new edition for 2012-13 will also be welcomed, we think, by others professionally involved in or advising upon legal proceedings involving children. That includes social workers, local councils, and, of course, judges. The major benefits of the book are, in addition to its accuracy and comprehensive nature, its portability and ease of use. It's nice and light, and it's reasonably easy to open too, if I can put it as simply as that, and therefore it's an ideal thing for the court. Practitioners who in the not too distant past have had to shoulder 2 hefty volumes of works to actually go to court will appreciate a handbook of this size, which provides all the essential core material needed in a convenient paperback format, and it's just under about 800 pages long, and it contains the relevant provisions of the family procedure rules and, of course, the legislation. Those of you who will agree with this sort of publication will know that we do have a need for it as practitioners at the family law bar. I'm really delighted with it, and it's something you can't really be without if you're doing these types of proceedings. So thank you to all concerned. Bye-bye.